What up, Loyalty family? What's the deal, man? You already know how this go. We got another reaction video. Let's get it. So today, reacting to Doja Cat. The song is called Cyber Sex. One of my friends requested this. I've heard of her, but I think I've seen her on my boy What's the Deal channel, but I've never really, really interacted with her as far as on my channel. But you already know how this go, man. Common question today is, what's your favorite Doja Cat song? And also hashtag Nipsey Blue. Hashtag 7K because we on the way. You dig what I'm talking about, man? Who think we can hit 7K before 2012, man? I think we can do it, man. Only way we can do it is by you guys sharing the videos and liking all the videos. Keep showing support. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you share it to your auntie, your granny. Oh, yeah, turn on post notifications. And share it to your auntie, your granny, and your motherfucking man. You dig? Let's get straight to the video. Like I said, the artist name is Doja Cat. The song is called Cyber Sex. Let's get straight into it. Send me your favorite clip of the video right here, and I will shout you on the next video. Let's press record. Let's press play. Wow.
I wanna touch on you. You see me in my room. Wish you were here right now. All of the things I do. I wanna get freaky on camera. I love when we get freaky on camera. We freak on the cam. Love at first sight and send link to the gram. Pussy all pink with a tan and I play with it till my middle fingers are cramped up. Swipe right cause he thick and he handsome. Love a sneak peek when you're free, can we cam up? No shots to the screen, put your hands up. Make it pop in your face like a Sam's.
So this is why the dude wanted me to react to her, because she's a beautiful young lady. She is very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, it's about talent. You feel me? She is talented. From what I'm hearing, she has a little talent. Not a little, but she has talent. You feel me? So it's not all about the looks. That plays a part into certain shit, but, we also want to display the talent of the artist.
I cramped up. Swipe right cause he thick and he handsome. Love a sneak peek when you're free, can we cam up? No shots to the screen, put your hands up. Make it pop in your face like a Samsung. And that's my nigga. Better yet, that's my hitter. He don't leave notes, and if you do, you go miss some. Minimum 10.
So basically, from the video looks like it. From the video looks, she's like, like she said, cyber sex. So she's creating her perfect man through the internet. Like, Twitter, Instagram, all that good shit. She's creating them through a thug, buff, whatever.
And you don't even scroll through Insta unless you going through my pictures. I wanna touch on you. You see me in my room. Wish you were here right now. All of the things I do. I wanna get freaky on camera. I love when we get freaky on camera. Is you into it? Let's break the internet.
That bitch wants to make a porno. That bitch want to go famous like Kim Kardashian. She gonna kill herself with them damn cords around her neck.
We do it the best. When we have side by
She giving me that lady.
She
giving me like that Lady Gaga feel, just with the clothing and stuff, not just her with the way she's talking about or nothing like that. But she give me that Lady Gaga feel.
Trust me when I meet him, I'm fucking in my sight. Let me see you beat it up, feeling you like Mike. Oh, surf that till I drown in all of your pics. Can't scroll down cause some of them dicks. Think of my parents going through my shit. What's up? Oh, can't give head, you give me the FaceTime. Nigga, you a creeper, so you in Avon. You ain't getting pussy, you fucking on AI. Oh, what a time.
Oh my God! She said, "You not getting pussy, you getting the AI." That's funny as hell. Like, that's funny.
You ain't Avon. You ain't getting pussy, you fucking on AI. Oh, what a time to be alive. Living in a picture, banging on my hotline. I wanna touch on you. You see me in my room. Wish you were here right now. All of the things I do. I wanna get freaky on camera.
Okay, so she's not creating her man. Like, I guess she talking to her nigga like, man, I wish the nigga was here. You know what I'm talking about? I want to fuck this, yeah. Oh my God. Oh, this is a funny ass song right here.
I love when we get freaky on camera. I wanna touch on you. You see
like,
me
nigga,
in my room.
I wanna touch you right now.
Right now. All of the things I do. I wanna get freaky on camera.
it's like I'm so horny, nigga. I'm ready to get on the camera. It don't matter. I just want to fuck on you right now. That's all she's saying. I just want to fuck. I don't care where we at. If we on the computer, we on the, you know what I'm saying? I want to fuck. Shout out to Psycho Films. But you already know how this go, man. That's the end of the video, man. Shout out to, we gotta do these shout outs though, man. Shout out to Doja Cat, Frank G, Jay Stoner, Charles T, Sam S, my boy James C, Frank G, Jack Pack, Too Easy. Let's go to the comments. Let's go to the comments, man. We're gonna continue to use these comments. My boy Charles J 49ers, Derek Sevilla, Sonic, Matthew Clark, DJ Easy Smooth, K Breezy. Shout out to K Breezy. He or she been watching the videos like a motherfucker. Shout out to K Breezy Blacksmith once again. Shout out to 685%, Brazy Lokes, Get Hit, Onyx, Lyrical. Oh no, not Lyrical. Cairo King, and David Arden, and Jason 69. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you share it to your auntie, your granny, and your motherfucking baby. Yiddy!